What's going on, everybody? welcome to break CB 227. Two things at Capstone. It looks like we're about 4 or 5 seconds behind or so. So, wait for you guys to get in here. Somebody tell me that you can hear me okay and that we sound okay. We have 3 boxes here. I'm going to let you guys pick 2. I'll hold this up for a second. There's 3 boxes there, front, middle, and back. First 2 comments I hear are what we're going to take. So front, middle, or back. We need to pick 2 of them. So somebody tell me which ones. Front, middle, or back. The first 2 comments I see, front, middle, or back, is what we'll go with. Anybody? Let's see, do I get any sound going on in here? Oh, there we go. Front and back. There we go. So here's the front one. And then there's that one. And that's the back one up there. That's the one we're going to grab. Okay, so we'll put that up there now. Put that there. Up there. Alright, here we go. Thanks, Sue. Alright, we got front and back already here. Alright, good luck, everybody. Sue, while you're talking to me, you can hear me okay, correct? Before we open this box, I just want somebody to say, yes, we can hear you. This is the Capstone debut edition. Panini's first time doing this. I really enjoy the set. I've had some pretty big hits out of this already. Somebody in the chat, let me know that you can hear me okay. I will not start until somebody says, yes, we can hear you. So, somebody in the chat, just let me know you can hear me okay, and then we'll get going. Anybody want to let me know we're okay? Somebody. Just type in the chat that you can hear me. Okay, thank you, Marcus. Alright, here we go. Box 1. Box 1 of 2. Alright, first box is empty. There is a small delay. I think it's about 15 seconds or so. So we'll have to bear with it here, but good luck, everybody. Alright, here we go. First box. We got a Mike Ballman rookie. We got a Jose Siri rookie. Pablo Lopez. And a Pablo Lopez red. And our first hit is a Riley Adams out of 25 going to the Nationals. Nice little hit right there. Riley Adams out of 25 going to the Nationals. Nationals, Brandon Hagg with the first hit. Congrats on that one, sir. Out of 25, too. Nice little hit right there. Alright, we got a Jake Berger, rookie. We got a TJ Friedl, rookie. And we got a Sei Suzuki, New Age. These are pretty sweet cards right here. Okay. Pack 2. Got a Brandon Marsh rookie. Shohei Ohtani lights out. Ryan DePipo rookie. Brandon Marsh red foil. Oh my. Boom, baby. That is a case hit right there. Case hit. Super, super short print. Mike Trout blue steel. Congrats on that one, my friend. That is not a small hit. Boom, baby. Last time I checked, some of these blue steels were selling for over $100. Let's see what the Mike Trout is going for real quick. And then we'll see who's got those Angels. Let's see. Center stage. Let's see what we got. See if it picks it up. There it is, guys. $80. Not bad for a case hit. Congrats on that one, everybody. Let's see. Who's got the Angels? Who took them? Brandon Hagg, off to a great start, man. This is your box for sure, man. That is a nice hit right there. Andre Jackson, rookie. Pete Alonso. Some of them have this. I can't get this card apart. There we go. Some of them have that spiral effect to them. That's one of their inserts. And then the other inserts are like foils. Alright, we got a Deja Vu. Alright, let me go. I haven't not been putting these right. Actually, that was all rookies. That's why that's all here. Shohei Ohtani. Okay, so all the rookies in foils and all the extras will get penny sleeved. Unless it's a big hit, obviously, and then that'll be top loaded. If you want to know about top loaders for these, you will need a Shane McClanahan. There's a nice one. Bobby Witt Jr. You will need a 55 point on these. The blue steel is actually smaller. That one surprised me a little bit, being a little bit smaller. My only problem is we didn't have any 55 points. We only have 100 points, so I'll make sure that these are all team bagged up. Shohei Ohtani red foil. We got a Jake Myers. Jake Myers Capstone. Jake Myers auto going to Houston. Nice one there. Who's got those Astros? They were a team that was saved. So, Jack Jew. Nice one there. Alright. That's our two autos. We got Brandon Nemo, Tyler McGill, and Pete Alonso. Alright, we still got two more hits in this one. Joe Ryan, Reese Keener. We got Anthony Rizzo, Colton Welker, Seiya Suzuki, Trevor Story, Juan Soto, and the summit of Nolan Arenado. Eric Hosmer, Ryan Velotti, Andrew Benintendi, Mike Bowman, red foil, Wander Franco. There we go. Mr. Franco. Going to Matt McGuire. Just a relic. Wish it was an auto, but it is a relic. Let's see. We'll take down the Bobby Witt regular. Put up the Wander. Alright, we got Anthony Ashby and a nice Aaron Judge Crusades. Alright, Riley Adams, Rafael Devers, Marcell Ozuna, Seiya Suzuki, Jose Siri red, Gabriel Arias, Alec Boehm gold, and come on, Justin Verlander velo. Teoscar Hernandez, Spencer Strider, Ronald Acuna, Riley Adams red. There's a nice one. Wander Franco gold. There we go. It is not numbered, but it is the gold special foil back. I can't remember exactly what these are called. Which ones are these? These are the... I'll have to look inside the box in a second, but... Tony Santini for the Reds. Verdugo, red foil. And Christian Yelich. Nestor Cortez. A nice Spencer Torkelson right there. Stephen Kwan. Trey Turner. Rafael Devers, red foil. Edward Cabrera. Justin Turner. And Shane Baz. Spencer Torkelson. Alright, we got 4-pack to go in this one. I feel like this here will be our last hit. Yeah, that's got the relic in it, so we'll save that. Excuse me. Alright, we got Jorge Mateo, Lucius Fox, Sean Manaea, JD Martinez, red foil of Eric Hosmer, Tyler McGill, Cedric Mullins, and a Mookie Betts Summit. We got Willie Adames, Connor Seabold rookie, Tim Anderson. There we go. Julio Rodriguez, a red. Not numbered. Oh, the next one's nice. How about a Jeremy Pena to just 49, artist proof. Nice one right there. Jeremy Pena, artist proof, just to 49. That one's going to Jack also. Congrats on that one. We got Brian Reynolds. New Age of Juan Soto on the back. Come on. And a red of Whit Merrifield. Hold on a second, guys. I messed up here and got rookies, other cards in with rookie cards, and just need to sort this real quick to make sure we got the rookies and the non-rookies separated. Oh, the red foils are... I'm just trying to figure out what I need to sleeve up here. Strider, Gabriel Harris. I just want to make sure, guys. Sorry about this. I just started putting them in the wrong area of what needs to get sleeved and what doesn't need to get sleeved. Rookie, red foil Otani, Pete Alonso Bang, McNeil, red foil. There we go. There we go. All right, just one more set here. Let's just show you Otani base. Say Suzuki, red, rookie, red, rookie. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Just had to get that straightened up so I know what I'm sleeving at the end. All right. 2 more packs here. One's already open. We know it's the hit. So I put it off to the right. Jarren Duran rookie card. Gavin Sheets rookie card. Nolan Arenado. Nice little Mike Trout. Andrew Benintendi red foil. Eli Morgan. Roberto Suarez. And a Deja Vu. Adley Rutschman. Buster Posey. That's a cool one. And that's one of Adley Rutschman's first rookie cards. Nice one there. I'm going to go ahead and give you a top loader on that one because it is this is the first set in which he has rookie cards in. Alright, here we go. Last pack of the first box. Fernando Tatis, Juan Yepes, Luis Urias, Marcell Ozuna, and our last hit going to the Detroit Tigers. Oh, nice one there. Nice little pinstripe. Javier Baez out of 25. He's got his Detroit, and that's his Cubs uniform out of 25. Nice. Going to these Tigers. Who's got the Tigers? Matt McGuire. Oops, that one's not. That one's too thick. Let's get a 130 plate. There we go. Alright, let's finish this box out. Rhys Hoskins, Rowdy Tellez, and a nice new age of Stephen Kwan. Alright, next box. Alright, here we go. Last box. Thank you guys for filling this up. We got a little bit of a bigger break coming up next. Gonna be a PYT. It's got a big boy card, 1 card of Luminaries, which is $350. It's got a Topps Black Chrome and then a Heritage High number. So I wanted to get more cards in it. That's why I threw in a Heritage High number in there. Because that one's a couple red foils for the Red Sox, but nothing major for the Red Sox. Alright. Here we go. JD Martinez. Willie Adames. Connor Seaball rookie. Chris Bryant. Rosne Castilla. First hit. Going to Pittsburgh. Relic. Or dual relic, I should say. Of Rosne Castilla. There. Hyun-Sung Kim. Walker Buehler. And a Wander Franco. Crusade. Wait, are these Crusades or Crest? Wander Franco Crest. Alright. We got Tim Anderson. Jarren Duran rookie card. Gavin Sheets rookie card. Nolan Arenado. Red Ke'Bryan Hayes. Hans Kraus. AJ Alexi. And another crest of Wander Franco. Oops. Mike Trout base. Teoscar Hernandez. Spencer Strider. Dylan Cease. We got Victor Robos. Our New Age materials. Curtis Terry, Josiah Gray, and Corey Seager Summit. Matt Olson, Josh Donaldson, Manny Machado, Josh Donaldson Red, Aaron Ashby is our next auto Summit. That's got a cool little background to it. Aaron Ashby Summit Auto. Going to the Brewers. Matt McGuire. Matt Manning. Kyle Riley. And Cedric Mullins, New Age Performers. Alright, there's one more hit in this box. Jose Abreu. Yadier Molina, Camilo Doval, Luis Gil, Manny Machado Red, Kyle Hendricks, MJ Melendez, and Joe Ryan. Not sure on the Phillies. I'll have to look back. I'll do a recap of all the hits. Chris Bryan, Key Brian Hayes, Dylan Cease, Jose Abreu Red Foil. We got a Marcelo Osuna out of 99. Marcelo Osuna out of 99. Angel Zerper. George Kirby, red foil. And an Alvarez. Ronald Acuna, Nestor Cortez, Spencer Torkelson, Stephen Kwan, Jose Altuve Red, Nick Lodolo, Reese Keener, and Jeremy Pena. Trey Turner, Fernando Tatis, Juan Yepes rookie, Roberto Suarez, and going to Miami, looks like our last auto will be Nick Fortes. Going to Miami. Tyler O'Neill, Austin Riley Red, and Spencer Torkelson with Miggy. Alright, we got 4 packs left. Luis Urias, Joe Ryan, Reese Neener, Rizzo, Alec Baum Red, Whit Merrifield, Verdugo, and Anthony Rizzo. Jose Altuve, Suarez, Alec Baum, Rosne Castellanos, Yadier Molina red foil, Wander Franco, Joe Ryan gold, and Aaron Judge deja vu. Alright, 2 packets left. Then we'll go through the hits. Bryce Harper, J.P. Crawford, Ryan Zimmerman, Camilo Doval, Brian Reynolds gold, Corey Seager, Ketel Marte red, and Dylan Carlson New Age. Alright, last pack. Not a bag, 2 boxes. We'll take it, especially with the Trout short print, or super short print. Josh Bell, Jorge Mateo, Lucius Fox, Sean Manaea, Luis Gil, Ian Happ, Nick Allen, and Mackenzie Gore. Alright, let me just get a couple of these sleeved up here. on, guys. Sorry. I'm trying to grab my last one here. Gotta get some more 100 points. Especially since we have another box of this. Alright, bear with me for 1 second. I gotta take a couple of my cards out of sleeves. Sorry guys, I'm just taking some of my cards out of these 100-point sleeves so that I can sleeve your guys' cards up instead of mine. Okay, I think we're good. Oops, nope, I need one more. Okay, there we go. Alright, I just wanted to get mine put back away. Alright, here we go. So, hit recap. We got Stephen Kwan, Jeremy Pena, New Age, Spencer Torkelson, another Spence, Wander Franco with that cool background, Aaron Ashby, Marcelo Zuna to 99, Nick Fortes, Victor Robles, Wander Franco's Crest Dual Vision. We got Rosne Caceres, Javier Baez out of 25, Adley Rushman rookie card, Jeremy Pena to 49, that's a nice one. Julio Rodriguez red, that's a nice one. Spencer Torkelson base, Quan base, Wander Franco gold, Bobby Witt base. Then we got the Wander Franco dual relic. We got the Riley Adams to 25. We got the Jake Myers auto. And the best card of the break, the Mike Trout Blue Steel Super Short Prints. Boom, baby. Nice card. Alright, guys, thanks a lot for that break. Thank you guys very much. As always, thank you for the support. I couldn't be here without you guys, so that's 227 breaks that we've done on this page alone, not counting all my other pages I was breaking on before we got here. But I'm glad I went out on my own and started my own, and then added some great admins around me. So be on the lookout for the next one going up. Like I said, next one will be one box of Lumineers, one box of Topps Chrome Black, and one box of Heritage High Number. And then we'll come back after that with a football break. Don't forget, we do have the 4-sport break up right now, which is one box of Topps Chrome Black, one box of Capstone for baseball, one box of one box of Mosaic for football, and one box of Artifacts. So we got those. Oh, and one box of Flux for basketball. So all 4 sports are represented in 5 boxes. It's a little bit expensive, but we're good to go. You did get an A's autograph, Nick Fortes, Shane Burgess. Nick Fortes was the Marlins, and then you got some base cards of the A's. So let me see if I can find the Nick Fortes real quick for you. Nice auto of an upcoming youngster for you guys, or for the Miami. I should say right here. Here we go. For Miami Marlins, Nick Fortes. Nice little auto coming your way. Plus, there was some base A's and some base Marlins also. I got this whole stack here to put sleeves on. Those are all the inserts and stuff. So, with that being said, guys, thank you very much for the support. As always, thank you. And once again, as always, enjoy the hobby and keep having fun with it. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.